spends years and years and years compiling this dictionary. He goes into the Highlands and thinking to himself, will they appreciate someone from the south of England poking his nose in and wanting to find out all their words and traditions and all this stuff. So he just learned Scottish Gaelic to absolute proverbial fluency, renamed himself Jon Dala, went right under the radar. So, you know, think a kind of literary dictionary wielding James Bond. And he goes and collects this ridiculously large amount of material, spends half his bloody life compiling it, and then promptly sort of loses interest in the entire thing once it's published, stops speaking Gaelic, doesn't speak it to his kids or grandkids, and then dies a rather ignominious death. And I'm now just going to read a little bit from here to introduce the next piece of visual gorgeousness for your delectation. It is danced by a man and a woman. The man has a rod in his right hand, variously called Slachgan Druiach, Druidic wand, and Slachgan Gesach, magic wand.
Heilig aan doeltuin, komt de jellegdom.
Rele kalle, rele kalle, ette kalle, rele kalle, ette kalle, rele kalle, ette kalle, rele kalle, ette kalle. Rele kalle, ette kalle, ette kalle, rele kalle, ette kalle, fische was, ette kalle, goeie, wat is het voor? Ette kalle, rele kalle, ette kalle, ette kalle, goede kalle, ette kalle, rele kalle, ette kalle, fische was, ette kalle, goeie, ette kalle, rele kalle, ette kalle, fische was, ette kalle, rele kalle, fische goeie, Rele kalle, 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 rele kalle, 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 rele kalle, 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 het je kalle, kalle, voor. Het kalle, rele kalle, het kalle, voor. Het kalle, rele kalle, het kalle, voor. Het kalle, kalle, het kalle, voor. Het kalle, rele kalle, rele kalle, voor. Het kalle, rele kalle, het kalle, visje bouwen. Het kalle, rele kalle, het kalle, visje bouwen. Het kalle, rele kalle, visje bouwen. Het kalle, rele kalle, het kalle, visje bouwen. Het kalle, goeie, visje goeie, bouwen. Het kalle, rele kalle, het kalle, rele bouwen. Het kalle, goeie, goeie, bouwen. Het kalle, rele kalle, het kalle, goeie, bouwen. Het kalle, rele kalle, visje goeie, bouwen. Het kalle, rele kalle, het kalle, goeie, bouwen. Het kalle, goeie, bouwen, visje goeie, bouwen. Hey. I can hara, I can hara. I can darin ha. I can hara, I can hara. Handa hara. Handa hara.
Heilig aan doeltuin, heilig aan doeltuin. Komt de jellegdom.
The women gesticulate and attitudinize before one another, dancing round and round, in and out, crossing and recrossing, changing and exchanging places. The man flourishes the wand over his own head and over the head of the woman whom he touched with the wand, and who falls down as if dead at his feet. He bemoans his dead Carlin, dancing and gesticulating round her body. He then lifts up her hand and looks into the palm, breathes upon it and touches it with the wand. Immediately the limp hand becomes alive and moves from side to side and up and down. He rejoices and dances round the figure on the floor. Having done the same to the right hand and to the left and right foot in succession, they also become alive and move. Though the limbs are living, the body is still inert. The man kneels over the woman and breathes into her mouth and touches her heart with the wand. The woman comes to life and springs up, confronting the man. Then the two dance vigorously and joyously as in the first part. The tune varies with the gleaming phases of the dance. It is played by a piper and fiddler, and sung as opposed to real, by a looker-on, or by the performers themselves. The air is quaint and irregular, and the words, which are curious and archaic, commence as follows.
Alle gaan doeltijn. Komt de Jerusalem.
Yeah.